In the times of edgy, edge of the seat thrillers, Ribu Dasgupta's theme, which is based on a South Korean film called Montage, strikes a very different notes. It's very slow, steady, relaxed. Much of it has got to do with the fact that its protagonist, which is Amitabh Bachchan, an old detective, so to speak, is more in the league of the old-fashioned thrillers where we had detectives like Hercule Poirot or Agatha Christie's Miss Marple. They were representative of a very old-fashioned way of panning out a thriller. Amitabh's character John Biswas falls in the same mold, but he's onto sleuthing not because it's his profession, but it's because of a personal tragedy whereby he lost his own granddaughter a few years ago, 8 years ago in fact, to a kidnapping turned bad.
दादू, I'm sorry दादू, मुझसे गलती हो गई। मुझे आपकी बात माननी चाहिए थी। मुझे आपकी बात माननी चाहिए थी। मुझे आपकी बात माननी चाहिए।
The slow pace of the film, apart from the fact that there is an old detective for the protagonist, stems from the fact that it's based in a very old world Kolkata. A Kolkata where on the surface nothing seems to be happening, but a lot is brewing underneath. There are two other interesting characters in this story. One is Martin, a cop turned priest, all because he wants to fight an inner guilt. And then there is a lady cop played by Vidya Balan. And there's an interesting chemistry between the two of them. I wish the film could have explored it more, it doesn't. Similarly, there is an interesting relationship and banter between the cop turned priest and Amitabh's character John Biswas, but again it's not taken to its fullest. The situation which we are presented is quite interesting, but somehow the piecing together of the clues, the investigation doesn't keep one involved as much. My problem is with the climax. Somehow most of the thrillers in India leave me very disappointed with their climax. Here also the mode is so explanatory that you don't come out with the films with questions in your mind, but with too much of a easily explained ending.